Carlsbad Caverns National Park. Today we're going to go down in the caverns there. A couple little shadows there from people on there, but yeah, there's the building in back of us here. All right. I'm here at Carlsbad Caverns. I might be doing some spelunking or something down in there. I don't know, but wow, look at those caverns up there. Wow, looks a lot of stuff up there. Wow, okay. Subscribe. Always need subscribers. Bye-bye. Well, this is the cave here. It's kind of a diagram. All kind of down in there. Top of the cross. We're going to go walk around here. It's a little hard to figure out where we're going to be walking, but it looks like there's trails down there to walk in, and we're going to walk all through there, walk all the way around here. See the old cave. There's the visitor center up here, and somehow we're going to get down to the bottom down there, walking down and coming back. Take the elevator, coming back up there. All right. Okay, walking down into the caverns, going downhill outside. Beautiful sunny morning up here. Had a little bit of fog earlier there, but my whole life is in a fog, so not that big of a deal. All right, well, we're going down into the cave. We gotta do this serpentine path here, and we'll be inside then. All right, there's the entrance down there. All right. Oh, I'm in a cave, but you can't see anything because the lighting is very, very dim. But there are some things up here to see, but not much. A little something back there. You might be able to see that with all the stalactites and the stalagmites coming up. All right, back on the trail. Here it's dark. That's where we came down. That says, you are here. So we're going to go all the way up down here and come back down. Go back down here. Alright. That's where we're going. It's very dark here, so it's hard to see, but this does have some light on it. So you might be able to see a little bit of it. Okay, gotta move on the trail down into the darkness here. There's a ladder down there to go down to the abyss, down at the bottom. Alright. Well, there's a pool of water down there. It's hard to see because there's not too much light. There's water down there. Same thing on the other side. If you look over the railing here. Stuff up there. Okay, back on the trail here. It's dark. Well, we're at the elevators, going to go back up. It was a little bit of a grueling walk because I couldn't eat any of my snacks because I couldn't bring any with me. But we're going to press the button here. Here we go, here we go. Press it.
That was great.
Here we go, it's pressed.